RamSoft Power Server RIS PACS is a radiology system that does it all. A complete feature-rich system that enables you to provide excellent service to all of your customers. RamSoft is a single database system which allows for customizable unified work lists to track exams through all phases of your workflow. Workflow in RamSoft is seamless as the status of your exams change from the scheduling phase to the imaging phase to the reporting and report distribution phase. RamSoft's unified work lists allow efficient and effortless workflow with simple status transitions. Scheduling is also a breeze with our drag and drop scheduling. Simply click on the order and drag it into RamSoft's built-in scheduler. RamSoft also makes it possible to send appointment reminders and confirmation via text and/or voice messages using Contact My Doc. Appointment reminders can be sent to patients via text message or landline, and patients can easily confirm appointments with a simple return text message. Additionally, patients can manage appointments and receive messages from physicians and staff with this useful appointment notification tool. Paper can be a thing of the past with RamSoft's document management. Electronic templates can be created for all the phases of your workflow. These e-documents can be electronically signed, which will help eliminate the need of paper documents. Now, let's take a look at direct messaging, a secure communication solution for referrers. With direct messaging, you can receive radiology orders, convert them to scheduled appointments, and capture clinical history direct from the referrals. The procedure request can be converted to an order, then it can be dragged and dropped onto RamSoft's built-in scheduler. With direct messaging, radiology reports can also be sent to a referring physician, where they can view the study's images with just one click. Direct messaging and many other features have allowed RamSoft RIS PACS to be classified as a complete certified EHR system. RamSoft's single database platform also has a state-of-the-art advanced multimodality image viewer. This feature-rich viewer has all the image tools needed for image visualization. You can scroll through multi-slice series, zoom, pan, change the image compression, re-window images, measure distances and angles. Some of the more advanced tools include a robust viewing protocol creator, which comes with many default protocols. Additional tools include MPR and volume rendering, PET-CT fusion, and support for breast tomosynthesis images. Many of these same image tools are also in our physician's viewing portal called Rapid Results. Rapid Results lets you view images, documents, and reports all from a zero download, browser independent, and mobile-friendly platform. Rapid Results also lets you communicate securely with providers and staff and send appointment requests to the imaging facility to be scheduled. All the data for this efficient single database system can be easily analyzed with RamSoft's business analytics module called Essence. The Essence module is a tool for complete business reports that will allow you to analyze referral volume, nurture new referrers, and identify top referrers. Essence gives you the flexibility to generate a variety of reports, such as analysis reports to chart the numbers relative to your business analytics, interactive reports which will provide as much data as needed, meaningful use reports for yearly attestations, and dashboards which will let you select and display multiple reports on the same screen. RamSoft's report distribution engine allows you to distribute reports via fax, email, direct messaging, or HL7. Patient care can be improved and your workflow can be optimized with our HL7 compliant suite of advanced web radiology solutions that integrate with any EMR or hospital information systems. RamSoft's Power Server RIS PACS truly is a radiology system that does it all.